Hi, this is Tony Sagami for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. Two American restaurant stocks hit 52-week highs last week, McDonald's and Yum Brands. Now, everybody knows McDonald's and its golden arches, but you may be surprised to learn that Yum Brands is actually the world's largest restaurant company. It has 38,000 stores in 110 countries and employs more than 1 million people. Its flagship chains are Pizza Hut, KFC, and Taco Bell, but it also owns A&W, Long John Silver, and Wing Street. Now you may ask, what does this have to do with making money from Asia-focused stocks? The answer is lots. In fact, mainland China is Yum Brands' #1 market for new restaurant development. There are now more than 3,500 KFCs and 560 Pizza Huts in China, and the company is going to open one new restaurant every day. Now that expansion has translated into very impressive profit growth. Earlier this month, Yum Brands boosted its earnings forecast for 2011 and 2012, and if you're a fan of dividends, you have another reason to like the company. Yum pays an annual dividend of $1.44 a share, which works out to roughly a 2% dividend yield. And if history is any guide, that dividend should continue to grow and grow. Now, McDonald's is also a great growth story, largely powered by Asia. It's opened its first restaurant in Shenzhen, China in 1990, and it making it one of the very first American companies to set up shop in China. Since then, the presence of Golden Arches has expanded like crazy. Right now, McDonald's has 1,300 stores in China, but expects that number to hit 2,000 by the end of 2013, and those 1,300 current stores, only 6 are owned by franchisees versus 75% in other McDonald's around the world. What does that tell you about the company's expectations for China? McDonald's has adapted its menu to Chinese tastes, serving things like seaweed seasoned French fries, the Prosperity chicken burger, and mung bean ice cream, which is actually very tasty. Now, largely as a result of its smart Asia strategy, McDonald's has grown its profits by 124% and its dividends by 153% over the last 5 years. In 2011, it's the second best performing stock in the Dow Jones Industrials with a gain of more than 27%. And since 1980, it's gained 8,640%, far surpassing the other 4 big companies in the blue chip index, General Electric, Walt Disney, IBM, and ExxonMobil. So both McDonald's and Yum Brands have very bright long-term prospects, thanks to gangbuster growth in China. Of course, I'm not suggesting you rush out and buy these stocks tomorrow. As always, timing is everything, so I suggest you wait for my buy signal in Asia Stock Alert. And if you haven't done so already, you need to evaluate all your American stocks in the context of what they are or are not doing in Asia. Do they have a clear Asia growth strategies like the 2 companies I highlighted today? Or do they have a significant low-cost Asian competition? As I've said many times, any American company battling a Chinese competitor is going to get clobbered. I'm Tony Sagami for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. Thanks for watching.